Learning bedroom vocabulary in English with the pictures. Bedroom, bedroom. Single bed, single bed. Bed, bed. Bedspread, bedspread. Pillow, pillow. Blanket, blanket. Mattress, mattress. Mosquito net, mosquito net. Wardrobe, wardrobe. Dressing table, dressing table. Jewellery box, jewellery box. Perfume, perfume. Bedside table, bedside table. Bedside lamp, bedside lamp. Slipperies, slipperies. Alarm clock, alarm clock. Clothes hanger, clothes hanger. Clothes hook, clothes hook. Safe, safe.